How to turn on autosave on Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So autosave is a really handy feature on your Excel. I'll teach you how to use it. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file and then you will see file option on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it and then you will see options on the very bottom and a pop-up will open up once you tap on it, and then on the left hand side go to the save option and you'll see save auto recover file. Just tick on it and you can even change the duration. So whatever duration you set, the file will automatically save and refresh itself. And it's really simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.